The ratio of the ages of Juan and Jose is 5:3. If Juan is 14 years older than Jose, how old is Jose? Okay, so let's set up the table here. So we have Juan and Jose. Okay, so Juan and Jose, the ratio is 5:3. Okay, the ratio is 5:3. And then Juan is 14 years. 14 years older than Jose. So si Jose, ilet natin age of Jose be X, and then the age of Juan will be X plus 14 because Juan is 14 years older than. So we have addition because older than Jose. Now let's set up the equation. Okay, so let's set up the equation. So set up the proportion. So we have X plus 14 over X is equal to 5/3 because the ratio is 5:3 or 5/3. Okay, so solve the value of X. How old is Jose? X is the age of Jose. Okay? So, x is Jose. So, just cross multiply. 3 times x plus 14. So, we have 3 times x plus 14 is equal to x times 5. So, that is 5x. So, just distribute this. So, we have 3 times x. We have 3x. 3 times 14. So, we have 3 times 4. That is equal to 12 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1. So, we have 4 is equal to 5x. Combine the 3x. Put 3x to the other side by subtracting 3x to both sides. So cancel this. We have 42 is equal to 5x minus 3x. That is equal to 2x. Last step, divide both sides by 2. Okay, so let's do this manually. X is equal to 4 divided by 2. We have 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore, the age of Jose is 21. The correct answer is letter D. Follow me for more content like this.